So we're making our red, white, and blue Jello, strawberry, and pear. Let's see. When your water's ready, you want to pour your Jello into your little bowl. And then you add your boiling water to this to dissolve it. And then you add your cold. And normally I just stir it a little bit. You have to stir it for 2 minutes before you can add the cold. So I'm going to stop and add the marshmallows to the top so they float to the top. Okay, so I added 5 little marshmallows to each one. And now we're going to mix in our grape juice into our 2-minute dissolved Jello. So this is grape Jello, strawberries, pears, and marshmallows. Showing how to fill one of the little cups, like a half cup for the little 4-ouncer where it's perfect. Okay, we topped all the little tops off. And now you just wait and put them in the refrigerator.